everyone. Okay, for today we will continue with number 11, 12 and 13. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with number 11. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, good job. Let's write number 11 together. Okay, watch this. Do you guys get it? Okay, let's continue with number 12. This is number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is how we write number 12. Let's write together. Okay, the last number is 30. This is number 30. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's write number 13 together. Okay, good job. Okay, that's it for today. We continue to our next class. See you later. Bye.